Good afternoon, babies, and welcome back to my channel, What's Cooking Mama. Today, I'll be making red peppers and onions with shrimp. All it is a simple, like a stir fry over white rice. So, the things that we're gonna need is red peppers, shrimp, soy sauce, oyster sauce, a little adobo, black pepper, parsley, some fresh crushed garlic, some margarine, and a little bit of sugar. Okay, so let's get started. I'm warming up my pan so it can get nice and hot for my margarine. I keep saying margarine. My butter. Throw it in. Don't worry about it being brown, that's okay. Throw in my vegetables. Throw in my garlic. Stir it around. Cut down my rice on the back burner. Throw in some adobo. Don't need too much. I'm gonna put in a little onion powder. I forgot to add that in the ingredients. Some black pepper, of course. Some soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Stir it up. And last but not least, throw in my, excuse me y'all. I'm gonna throw in my shrimp. Now we're gonna cook this till it get brown. Not brown, until the shrimp get opaque, like pink. And I'm gonna come back and show you when it's all done. And I'm gonna plate it for you. So you gotta keep just stirring it until the shrimp get pink. Okay, and that's it. We're making something quick and fast because nobody wanna be in the kitchen. Because you know these days it's been very warm and you wanna make something quick and fast but healthy and that tastes good for your family. So that's what I'm doing today. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. and hit that notification bell so you won't miss an upload from me. And also to go visit my daughter's channel, Kaya Monet. So I'm gonna come back when this shrimp is nice and pink and everything is done. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. And let's see. Oh, look at there. See the shrimp done got all nice and pink. So I'm gonna plate it for y'all so that y'all can see how it look. I got some good old rice here. Okay, put down some rice. I'm gonna get some peppers and onions with shrimp. Sorry, y'all. I'm gonna fix this camera and plate it up. And there y'all have it. That's red peppers with onions and shrimp over rice. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope y'all go make it for your family because it tastes so good. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.